Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. We are with Crazy Mustafa in Crazy Gold and we will demonstrate you how Bulunmaz decoration machine works. We will make a crystal cut design on a wedding ring for you with Bulunmaz decoration machine. Bulunmaz decoration machine is a all-in-one solution. What that means, with only one machine you can use many different attachments, different heads, different working directions and make unlimited different decoration designs. Bulunmaz decoration machine has two heads. One is vertical for vertical working, which you can work with vertical puzzle tools, and the second one is horizontal motor, which you will need most of all. The most important part of the Bulunmaz decoration machine is the holder. In this holder you can change it and hold rings, bangles, pendants, chains, buttons and many different jewelry items. The holder part is the most important and precise part of our machine. And then you can change and use different propellers and different finishings on your jewelry design. Here is the control panel of Bulunmaz decoration machine. You can control almost everything here. Horizontal or vertical motor, left and right, speed and many other settings. Crazy Mustafa, which model you are making for us today? Crystal. Thank you very much. Our ring is not ready yet. Why? Because our decoration is completed, but we have to make the sides of our ring to make it smooth and with a radius with Bulunmaz jewelry lathe machine. Please. Bulunmaz jewelry lathe is a really easy solution for cleaning, decorating and making different finishings on wedding bands. So in this operation we are just making the sides of my ring with a radius tool, so my ring is ready immediately. Ready in 3 seconds. As you can see, we have decorated our ring with Bulunmaz decoration machine and it's shining a lot. And finally we made left and right side of my ring very smooth with Bulunmaz jewelry lathe machine. Don't forget, you can also clean inside your ring and reform it Bulunmaz inside lathe machine. If you're a wedding ring manufacturer anywhere in the world, you can easily contact us by video calls, by visiting our website, by visiting us in worldwide exhibition, Las Vegas, Vicenza, Hong Kong, Istanbul Jewelry Show, anywhere, and learn much more about how to make different wedding ring designs. Here we are with Crazy Mustafa, our master for 25 years, and here we are in Crazy Gold with manufacturing many different rings with different technologies. Any kind of rings you want to produce, you can always come and visit us to see and experience different technologies. Here is the order of today for Crazy Gold, and you can see that we have many different rings in production. We are using every kind of technology here: mechanical machines, hand designs, CNC milling machines, CNC lathe, rhodium plating, enamel, many different technologies you can see, come and see, experience in Bulunmaz. Don't forget to subscribe Bulunmaz YouTube channel because we are posting new videos every Friday, new jewelry videos, so you can learn more about jewelry techniques and get idea about our company and about jewelry production. Thank you very much for your time watching our video. Thank you very much, Crazy Mustafa, for this model. See you again in the next videos.